why do we quit? If you set, 800 or even 500 pounds on the bar out there, I can't lift it. So I'm not talking about that kind of quitting. I'm talking about a long run. Why do I quit? If I'm not injured, like what actually causes quitting? When do we decide that something is futile? Right. And it turns out that for every bit of effort, any bit of effort, lifting a glass of water or running up a hill or in a fight, there are little bits of adrenaline that are released in the brain and body. And there's a counter. There's a cell type, which are called glia, which literally means glue in Latin. These cells are paying attention to how much norepinephrine is coming. And if it hits a certain threshold, the brain stops voluntary control over the musculature. Says, that's it, I quit. And there are these beautiful experiments where they manipulate the visual environment so that they're certain that this isn't lack of muscle fuel, or liver fuel. This is lack of neural fuel. Dopamine pushes back that level of noradrenaline and it gives you more gas. It lets you go further. And you see this through teamwork, when you feel like you're supported, when you're in cohesion, humor, play. If you're in serious effort and it's just things are going terribly, maybe I've never done comedy, but you're trying to write a joke and it's just frustrating, and then suddenly you just kind of laugh at how ridiculous the process is. There's a kind of loosening or a lightening and you have more energy. That energy is reductions in epinephrine.